Products are delivered to this team from other teams in the factory, such as the painting department, the aluminium department, and from the team receiving goods for further processing and packaging. Pacifica Messenger panels are bent. Panels with tactile or braille are bent on the ADA bending machine. Some panels require clips or foam, others VHB tape or jewel lock. If requested, a mounting template will follow the cut letters. We assemble ocean signs. We assemble free or occupied signs. We mount tape on stuck items such as silhouette paper flex. We mount and pack Pacifica Messenger Paperflex to stock in the warehouse, as well as Mesa and Infinity fittings for wall and suspended signs. We pack panels into small bags. The bags are put on trolleys with labels indicating the CO number, country code and shipping date.